Hi, it's Sam here from Lean Greens. This is like the third time we've tried to start this video. Hopefully it's going to work now. It's not really filling me with confidence because the last time I attempted today's Upgrade Your Nutrition Challenge, it failed spectacularly. And so I was going to do it as a pre-recorded video, and I decided we're just going to run with it and do it live because otherwise I'm not going to do it. Yeah, we're more than halfway through the month of our tasty challenges. So I thought I'd better bite the bullet and do the one that I'm not particularly confident of. So we'll see how this goes. So today we are going to try making your own pesto. So pesto ingredients, super simple: basil, garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil and toasted pine nuts. Now, out of all this, the most expensive ingredient by far is the pine nuts, which probably, if you did the maths, may well be that you're better off financially buying pesto in a jar from the supermarket. But homemade just does taste, or if you can do it. And eventually last time when I made it, it all went a bit wrong, but it did taste lovely in the end. So we're going to give it a go. You can use, as an alternative to pine nuts, you can use ground walnuts or ground almonds as well. So you could give one of those a try. I was on a holiday in France once, and this French lady who was cooking us lunch had this massive jar of pesto. And everybody was asking how she'd made so much, and she'd used ground walnuts, which brought the price down considerably. So first time I tried this, I tried it in the NutriBullet, and all the ingredients just kind of stuck around the sides, and it was a bit of a pain to try and make. Second time I tried it in a jug with my hand whizzer, and I couldn't get enough area to try and do anything with it. It was just like a massive basil in the end. So this time, we'll see how this works. I'm going to try a bowl, which means hopefully I'm going to be able to like chase it round a little bit. And what I've also done is I've upped the quantity. So the first time I tried making a really small amount, and I think with this, I think you do need to make a fair little bit of it in order to be able to actually whiz it all up. So we're going to give it a try. So basil going in there. So as well as putting, obviously traditionally you'd have pesto on pasta. We have pasta occasionally. I love pasta. I don't think there's anything wrong with having pasta now and again. Probably I don't have it every day, but every now and again it's a lovely, nice thing to have. You could also put pesto on salmon, on chicken, on tomatoes and mozzarella for a salad caprese. So there are other things you can do with it besides just putting it on some pasta. I'm going to pop in. You also need a decent amount of olive oil to make this work. I'm going to put the Parmesan in a minute. I'm just going to give this a try and see whether we get anywhere with the blending. So apologies for the noise for a moment. Oh, pretend on it helps. There we go. This is looking a lot better than last time. With a spoon. Yeah, definitely going to have to add some more olive oil. Oops.
So one of our customers actually added lean greens to their pesto as well. So
she did. I need
superstar, super greens powder.
I need to get in touch with the lady who did that. I'm because I failed at this so spectacularly last time. I'm not quite brave enough to try that today. I'm just going to stick to the standard. And now we're going to add a little bit of Parmesan. You can make this without the Parmesan, but it does add something to the texture and the just general goodness. Good tasting. Okay, there we go. Have a look at that. That is looking much more like it should do compared to last time. So that is basically how you do your own pesto. I'm going to continue whizzing that up. I might add a little bit more olive oil, a little bit more Parmesan. Then I'm going to stick it in a jar, pop it in the fridge. We'll probably have some. We're having a roast chicken later, so I think we'll probably have pesto on the chicken instead of gravy, with some sweet potatoes maybe and some broccoli. Give it a try, see how you get on.